Okay, this is Taryn, 10 months old, eating a piece of pear. She has one little nub of a tooth. She seems to like it. Is that too big? Yeah, that's too big. Let's take that piece out. Just two little pieces. I love the serious frown face that she gets. It's so freaking cute. Oh, let's not put that all in your mouth, sweetheart. Yeah, just little pieces. There's a little piece. Oops. Do you like it? Would you like some more? Do you like some more? Oh, you want the whole thing. Here. Here. No? Okay. Say goodbye. Say bye, everyone. Say bye, everyone. Say. Oh, okay. Say bye, Grandma. Okay. Just a sec. Okay, she wanted a whole piece. There's Abby. Abby likes to share. Abby's getting the piece she dropped. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Grandpa. You're very serious. Okay, yeah, that's a big piece. Oh, yep, it dropped. All right, I'm going to pay attention to the baby now. Bye, everyone. Say bye.